What's up you guys, it's Katie, welcome back to Steal the Spotlight. Today I'm going to be dressing like your favorite childhood dolls, which I am very excited for because I always love a good hit of nostalgia on this channel, but dolls especially is where my love for fashion first started. You know what, I'm just going to say it. Let's start off with the superior doll brand, which is of course Bratz. They served us looks every time. They were diverse and inclusive, and every one of them just had this boss bitch aura to them, which as a kid you couldn't really emulate in your outfits, but now we're all grown up and everyone just wants to be them. I feel like I still have a vague memory of the first ad for Bratz dropping and instantly me being sold on that passion for fashion tagline. Passion for fashion. I was like, yes, these are the girls for me. Pretty sure I had all 4 of the original dolls, so I really wanted to recreate one of them today and decided to go with Chloe because those were the clothes that I had in my wardrobe. So I'm actually referencing her alternate outfit, and the more I look at it, the more I feel like I'm having a Monique Hart brown cow stunning moment. Like, is her skirt actually cow print? I don't know. Anyway, teamed it up with a couple of Bratz must-haves, the cute little baby tees, and of course the chunky platform boots. And then don't forget to finish it off with some accessories.
Don't theorize, accessorize.
The second Bratz look is from a collection I didn't actually have, but definitely was an iconic one, which is Rock Angels. And this time I'm not replicating one particular girl, it's more so just the overall inspo from that theme and any key pieces that were often seen throughout all of the members. So with that being said, the key elements obviously ended up being the red and black color palette, the snake print, and also the leather accessories. Definitely feel like I'm ready to join the cast of Rock Angels. Chloe better watch her back. But actually, who was your favorite doll growing up? For me, I always wanted to get the Yasmin doll. I just thought she was so beautiful. But now I kind of feel like I prefer YesStyle. Let's move on to the OG Barbie. Duh. I know she kind of gets a bad rap for not being as stylish, which is true in comparison, but don't do her too dirty because she definitely did still serve some looks over the years. And if you are interested, actually check out Trixie Mattel's kind of like Barbie through the decades sort of series because I am obsessed. Like, it really makes me want to collect dolls, but I already waste too much money on K-pop albums as it is, so
A clown.
The first look is actually going to be inspired by a Barbie I did indeed own. And keep in mind, as a kid, if the Barbie wasn't a princess, fairy, or a fashion designer, I did not want to hear about it. And this particular one was indeed fashion designer Barbie. When I was looking for reference pictures, I also came across this Dance Flex Barbie. So I kind of blended her into the look and I present to you this. I feel like I'm very lucky to just happen to have a pink metallic 2-piece set lying around. Like, who does that other than Barbie herself? But I actually had it from a previous video where I was dressing like Giorno Giovanni. So if you guys are into anime, definitely check that one out too. But I love that this represents that typical idea of Barbie while still actually looking cool. Like, I would happily wear this without feeling like I'm completely dressed up in a costume. I don't know, maybe it's just me. My other Barbie outfit is actually going to be from just one of those little add-on clothing accessory packs. I used to love getting those because I wanted as many clothing options as possible because that's all I did with my Barbies was just force them to do little runway shows. Like, I didn't need no Ken to play house, and even if I did, I already had my wrestling figurines. I'd just use one of them. But anyway, as I was searching for Barbie outfits, I noticed that these little add-on fashion packs had way cuter looks than the ones that Barbie would actually come with. So I wanted to choose one of these instead because I thought it was a really cool, wearable way to actually take inspiration from Barbie without having to do the stereotypical pink plastic moment. Straight up just gonna say it, I wish the vest was a little bit more well fitted and tailored because this does feel a little bit too frumpy for Barbie's wardrobe. It almost feels like kind of Rachel Green from Friends almost, because all the elements are very 90s, which in that case, definitely hitting the nail on the head. Naturally, the next step is going to be my scene because that was kind of like Barbie's answer to Bratz. And I don't think I actually ever owned a doll, but I played the shit out of their online games. My Scene and Polly Pocket hands down had the best flash games. Would actually still totally recommend going and playing them today because it's kind of just like a nice mental break from everything. The first look is from the Unforgettable Collection, and this one actually had its own online game as well. Heads up, this is not an exact recreation. Like I said, I'm trying to make do with the overflowing amount of clothes already in my wardrobe, not looking to try and add anything to it. So when you hold them up against each other, they are not identical, but I feel like that's okay, you know, it is nice to add your own bit of seasoning to it. Okay, looking back, I have mixed feelings about this outfit. I don't know. I like the elements individually, but together, it's definitely doing a lot, isn't it? See, in this shot, I'm like, yes, work, this is incredible, but then you pan out to full length and I'm just a little bit iffy on it. But with that being said, I'm also just hating my hair at the moment, so that can kind of completely throw the look off for me. My second My Scene look is actually also inspired by Madison. I guess she just had cuter style than everyone else. I'm sorry, I didn't make the rules, but this actually ended up being one of my favorite outfits of the video, which really surprised me. Upon rewatching, I can confirm, yes, it is my favorite outfit of the bunch. It is comfy, casual, cute, ticking all the boxes for me. This is something I would definitely wear out and about. I might change up the shoes, but I can appreciate where they were going with it. It has finally come time for some Monster High dolls. This is one of my most requested, so I've chosen 2 characters, but let me know if you want to see like a dedicated video or even just a part 2 to this where we have the same doll categories but just explore different characters. Today though, I want to start with Scare Screams. This is another example where I've taken 2 of her looks and kind of just blended them together to suit myself. So here are the 2 looks in question. The base is just this cute casual moment from what she wears in the TV show, and you could totally just leave it there, but I also saw this other outfit, which I'm not gonna lie to you, I think she's literally just wearing a lab coat, and I was like, wow, amazing, stunning, let's do it. So I threw on this oversized white button-down shirt as a little extra. And the other monster who is probably who I'd most want to be is Frankie Stein. Keep in mind that I haven't actually ever watched the TV series or movies or whatever, so this is just like solely based on aesthetics. I just think that she looks sick. So in my opinion, Frankie Stein was definitely that emo scene kid in school, and for that reason, I can't really take the outfit seriously because it just gives me flashbacks of me getting ready to go to a My Chemical Romance concert, but I cannot deny that I still love me a plaid skirt. Honestly, I do still enjoy the outfit. I think it's just the fishnet layered underneath that's kind of throwing me off. Time for my girl Polly Pocket to shine. I distinctly remember my best friend Sharon and I just having a ton of Polly Pocket shit. Like, I feel like between us, we had the entire set, whether it was houses, shops, pools, cars, the freaking stretch limo that turned into a little spa in the back. Like, she had it all, okay? People think that Barbie had everything, but no, Polly Pocket was the it girl. With that being said though, I feel like she had less iconic, memorable fashion moments, so I've kind of just put together something that reminds me of what I would have put my Polly Pocket in. So I figured some of the best ways to achieve that would be opting for bright block colors and also textures that were almost kind of plasticky because hello, it's Polly Pocket. I thought these boots were perfect because my Polly Pocket had ones just like it, but I do wish that the shade of pink was just a little bit different so it would match in with the cardigan better, but I'm trying to overlook it. To round our video off for an even 10 outfits, we have probably the most iconic duo of the early 2000s, Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. They had their names on everything, including dolls. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my least favorite outfit of the bunch, which usually I don't like to end things on, but here we are. This is the outfit inspired by the doll, inspired by their movie, getting there. Okay, let's start out with a positive. Does it look similar to the original? Yes. Do I like it? Not necessarily, and I feel bad because I feel like I've done my girls dirty. Mary-Kate and Ashley have so many cute outfits to take inspo from, so hopefully I can do a part 2 and fix this up. I mean, this isn't even that bad. I feel like it would be a vibe on someone else, but on me, I'm just not loving it. I'm not loving much today though. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that wraps us up for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments who your favorite dolls were this time around, and also which ones you want to see in the future. I would love to make another version of this. And also I was thinking of doing dressing like my childhood style icons. I feel like that could be another really fun nostalgic one. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the future funky fashion content coming your way, but hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!